How to manage block list on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the three-line icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings from the extended menu. Under the Audience and Visibility section, tap on Blocking. Here you'll see a list of all people you've blocked. To unblock someone, tap on the Unblock button next to their name and confirm your choice. To block someone, tap on Add to Block List button. Now enter their name and select the correct profile from the results. Now tap on the Block button beside their profile. Again tap on Block button to confirm. Once blocked, they won't be able to view your profile or interact with you on Facebook. And that's how you can manage your block list on Facebook.